People lent me a playground for a while. Come up here. And then drive through right there. Come up here. Step up. Ugh. Punch these things. Oh, you got these rollers. You can go through. Just punching bags.
What are you doing here?
Hey! What do you want? Oh my gosh, it's blurry. My bubble. Hey, sir. My gosh, there's holes in the bottom. Why is it blurry? There it is. Hey, what? Alright, I'm just chilling. Let's get out of here. Oh, it's hard to move through. There's that. Okay, that's the slide. I'll go down it in a second. The drive-thru. What's up? If this falls right now, I'm gonna smack my face. Oh my gosh! I might have gotten out of video, Dad. Then who was it? What is right here? What is purple? What is this? Oh my gosh, if you look through this, you can see the slide. Oh, down there. Oh, he was sitting right there. But I don't see him anymore. Ew, I know what that is. Oh, it's a sticker. Oh my god! I see behind the scenes of what? Look, behind the scenes. Looks like a stool. You all wait. All right, I'm going back. Oh, there's more. I've never seen this. Notice it. Okay, look. Oh my gosh. Look at this. There's people. Oh my god. I'm in this bubble. This falls right now, I'm gonna freaking die. I don't wanna fall. See, that's a door. Through that hole. Yoink. Hey, Dad! Yeah, going down the slide, on. I can't fit in here anymore. Oh wait, there's one more I'm gonna explore. Oh wait, yeah I have. Alright, going down the slide. Oh, that's dark. That's scary. Holy crap. Here I go.